Alright, here's our second one. This one is Associative Property and associate. Let's say that I associate with, I'm associating with Ryan and Matt and Shelby and Riley. Then that means what? They are my, probably my friends, because that's who I'm hanging out with. Okay, it is. Now, skip 2 lines again. Get 2 spaces, come down, and now we're going to draw a road. Going across like this. And we're going to draw a little car. I know my orange is going to work too well. I need my yellow. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, that's a little Volkswagen Bug. And let me see. Riley is going to be inside there. Riley. You're right here. Okay, and then who's my red-haired person? Emily. Okay. Shelby. Where's Shelby at? Hers is. Oh, Shelby has redder hair than you do. But were you in something already? No. Okay, then we'll use Shelby. We got Shelby is driving. Riley, you're riding along with her. Okay, and then let me see. I need somebody with a great sense of humor.
Oh, that's me! Come on! Let's go.
We're going to use Danielle. Danielle with a little headband. Okay.
That's like so cool.
Put some grass down here.
Cody's annoying, not funny.
Put grass down here. Hey, stop. You just kept going after I said stop. Zach, alright, you have a warning. Stay after class.
Can I stay
Hope it was worth it. Now your parents can actually... Jeffrey, quiet. Just be quiet. Thanks. Okay. Now your parents can watch it and know that you got in trouble. Why you got in trouble.
Not me, Mom.
You are going to be in trouble very quickly, Mom. Alright. Now, I've got Shelby is driving, Riley is going along, Danielle, they're driving along. What you need, Ryan?
I was just wondering what this YouTube video is going to be called.
I haven't figured out yet. Okay, now, down here we're going to put Danielle's in the ditch. There's Danielle.
Just don't get an eye patch.
Now, I don't have brown hair. We'll just give you black hair. Sorry about that.
How like yellow?
No, because yellow's already in the bus up here.
Green. She's a blonde.
Okay. Alright.
Is she dead?
Jeffrey warned me. So alright, so there, the video. Make sure you zoom in on this because now Jeffrey's there. Good, you can switch off, that's good. Now you just get to the next step, it'll be a second step, you do writing for me, both of you will. Alright.
Both of you. That was him, that was
You gotta be kidding me, Ryan.
I was wondering.
Yeah? Well, now you got a warning.
No,
You already do. Stay after class. It had nothing to do with you. I'm trying to teach this. No, not right now.
What's a warning? What do you do?
Find out after class. Okay. So, right now, this is excellent for you two because I want some parents to see it. This is Shelby. This is Riley. Danielle is in the ditch. Now here's the story that goes along with this. Shelby and Riley are riding along one day, and they look down and they see poor Danielle lying in the ditch. So, Shelby says, hey, we should stop and pick her up. Riley says, no way, she stinks. She's been laying in the ditch all day. I don't want to pick her up. So they start arguing, but whose car is it? It's Shelby's because she's driving, and Shelby says, well, I'm stopping. So they stop, They go down the ditch, they drag her out of the ditch, and they throw her into the back seat. You can see her just sticking her little head up there. That's all you can see is a little bit of her head. Now, we're going to go 2 hours. Ryan, this had better be good.
I was just wondering, why did I get a
Ryan,
Jeffrey and Zach didn't?
They did already. Okay, this is after class. Got it? And I'll explain it to you after class. Don't interrupt me again, please. Alright, so as we go down right here, 2 hours later, and there's our car again. It looks a little worse for wear, but it'll work. Alright, let's kind of go here, and there's there. Now what happens is that in the 2 hours, Danielle woke up. And Danielle and Shelby, they start talking to each other, and they have a lot of interests in common. They like to do a lot of things, and they read the same book and watch the same movies, and they're talking about that. And this whole time, Riley's sitting there going like, whatever. She stinks. I can't believe you even talked to her. And she's just going on. I mean, she's just like, oh, you've got to be kidding me. So, here's what happens. Shelby, who's driving, says to Danielle, who's in the back seat, hey, unlatch the door. So, Danielle reaches up and unlatches the door, and then Shelby turns her one foot a little bit and gives a kick. And out comes flying who? Riley. So here we go. I'm going to draw Riley is in the ditch here with her blonde hair. Make sure you put her blonde hair on her. Look at that beautiful blonde hair. Not very happy. Danielle climbs over the top of the seat, and Danielle now is sitting in the front next to Shelby, and on off they go, leaving poor Riley in the ditch. Now here's how it works with associative property. So now we left these 2 blank lines, and here's what we need to write down. We need to write that we have Riley and Shelby are in the car riding together, right? Everybody see that? Plus, who's not in the car right now? Danielle's not in the car. Equals, now we're going to write R plus S plus D again. Do you see how that's in the same order? But now who's in the car? Danielle and who? Shelby. So this time we're going to move the parentheses to here. But here's what associative property says. Over here, Riley and Shelby are friends. See that? Who's friends over here? Shelby and Danielle. And Riley is out in the ditch. Now we're going to put some numbers in. So put a 1 plus 2 here, plus 3 equals. Over here we're going to put 1 plus 2 plus 3. But who is in the ditch? In this one. So she doesn't go inside. I call these the car doors. I mean, they're really parentheses. But see, these 2 are riding together right now, aren't they?
Yeah.
And over here, the 2 and 3. Now do the math. Well, this would be 3 plus 3, which is 6. And this is 1 plus 5, which is 6. So it works, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So right here, the associative works for addition. Want to guess what else it works for? Multiplication. And here is the groups can change, and it's okay, it's still equal. That's the law the math says, if they're equal to each other. Alright, we've got one more property to get through. Does everybody understand this property? I can move the parentheses and I still get the same answer. Okay.